Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. This vehicle comes with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 bhp. The van also comes with a DSG Automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Starlight Blue, and across the front of the vehicle it features IQ LED matrix dipped headlights. The vehicle also comes with front parking sensors. Down below, the Multivan sits on the 19-inch Hamstadt black alloy wheels, and moving to the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate fitted with a little rear roof spoiler. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera, as well as having a set of rear parking sensors. This Multivan features a power assisted tailgate which can be operated with the key fob itself. Taking a look into the rear of the load area, there's a few lashing points as well as a parcel shelf. This Multivan comes with a very lovely panoramic glass sunroof that allows lots of light into the vehicle. The rear tailgate can also be closed with a button on the inside. Taking a look at the inside interior, there is a 3-seater rear passenger bench along with 2 singular seats in the middle. All the outer seats in the vehicle feature a heated seat option, and in the middle there is a set of folding tables which can be deployed as well as moved to the very front or the very rear of the vehicle. As previously mentioned, this Multivan comes with the glass sunroof, which adds another luxurious feel to this Multivan. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area, the van comes finished with the Artvelours Bi-colour cloth microfleece inserts in a raven and black sand colour combination. Plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver. There's also a colour touchscreen multimedia system, and the Multivan also features a Harman Kardon audio system. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.